Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11Y Usha, and I'm Usha.
Microsoft Teams desktop and web shortcuts. General.
Show keyboard shortcuts. Desktop app, Control plus period. Web app, Control plus period. Go to search. Desktop app, Control plus E. Web app, Control plus Alt plus E. Open filter. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus F. Web app, Control plus Shift plus F. Start a new chat. Desktop app, Control plus N. Web app, Left Alt plus N. Start a chat in a new window. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus N. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus N. Open settings. Desktop app, Control plus comma. Web app, Control plus Shift plus comma. Open help. Desktop app F1. Web app, Control plus F1. Close. Desktop app ESC. Web app ESC. Zoom in. Desktop app, Control plus equals sign. Web app, no shortcut. Zoom out. Desktop app, Control plus minus sign. Web app, no shortcut. Reset zoom level. Desktop app, Control plus 0. Web app, no shortcut. Open an existing chat in a new window. Desktop app, Control plus O. Web app, no shortcut. Report a problem. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus R. Web app, no shortcut. Show keyboard shortcuts. You can access the keyboard shortcuts directly from within the app in several ways. The methods below apply to both the desktop and web apps. 1. Press Ctrl plus period. 2. Select the Settings and More button in the upper right corner of Microsoft Teams, and then select Keyboard Shortcuts. 3. To navigate to the keyboard shortcuts with a screen reader, press the Tab key until you hear Settings and More, then press Enter. Press the down arrow key until you hear Keyboard Shortcuts, then press Enter.
Navigation.
Note, if you're using the default app bar configuration in the Microsoft Teams desktop app, use below commands. If you've changed the order of your apps or added additional apps, the command depends on the app's sequential order on the app bar. For example, if you've moved Calendar to the top of the app bar, press Ctrl plus 1 to open it, not Ctrl plus 4. Open first app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 1. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 1. Open second app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 2. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 2. Open third app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 3. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 3. Open fourth app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 4. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 4. Open fifth app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 5. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 5. Open sixth app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 6. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 6. Open seventh app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 7. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 7. Open eighth app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 8. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 8. Open ninth app on app bar. Desktop app, Ctrl plus 9. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus 9. Move focus to left rail item. Desktop app, Ctrl plus L. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus L. Move focus to message pane. Desktop app, Ctrl plus M. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus M. Move focus on top toast. Desktop app, Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Web app, no shortcut. Open the history menu. Desktop app, Ctrl plus H. Web app, no shortcut. Go to previous section. Desktop app, Ctrl plus Shift plus F6. Web app, Ctrl plus Shift plus F6. Go to next section. Desktop app, Ctrl plus F6. Web app, Ctrl plus F6. Go back. Desktop app, Alt plus left arrow key. Web app, no shortcut. Go forward. Desktop app, Alt plus right arrow key. Web app, no shortcut. Move focus to notification. Desktop app, Windows logo key plus Shift plus Y. Web app, no shortcut.
Messaging.
Go to Compose box. Desktop app, Control plus R. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus R. Expand Compose box. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus X. Web app, Control plus Shift plus X. Send a message. Desktop app, Control plus Enter. Web app, Control plus Enter. Attach a file. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus O. Web app, no shortcut. Start a new line. Desktop app, Shift plus Enter. Web app, Shift plus Enter. Paragraph style. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus P. Web app, Control plus Alt plus P. Insert code. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus 5. Web app, Control plus Alt plus 5. Mark a message as important. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus I. Web app, Control plus Shift plus I. Jump to last read / latest message. Desktop app, Control plus J. Web app, Alt plus J. Search current chat or channel messages. Desktop app, Control plus F. Web app, Control plus F. Insert link. Desktop app, Control plus K. Web app, Control plus K. Insert block quote. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus 4. Web app, Control plus Alt plus 4. Pop out existing chat / channel. Desktop app, Control plus O. Web app, no shortcut. Apply the heading 1 style. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus 1. Web app, Control plus Alt plus 1. Apply the heading 2 style. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus 2. Web app, Control plus Alt plus 2. Apply the heading 3 style. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus 3. Web app, Control plus Alt plus 3. Open first tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 1. Web app, Alt plus 1. Open second tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 2. Web app, Alt plus 2. Open third tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 3. Web app, Alt plus 3. Open fourth tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 4. Web app, Alt plus 4. Open fifth tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 5. Web app, Alt plus 5. Open sixth tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 6. Web app, Alt plus 6. Open seventh tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 7. Web app, Alt plus 7. Open eighth tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 8. Web app, Alt plus 8. Open ninth tab on chat pane header. Desktop app, Alt plus 9. Web app, Alt plus 9. Chat / channel details pane. Desktop app, Alt plus P. Web app, Alt plus P. Reply to the latest / selected message. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus R. Web app, Alt plus R. Edit last set / selected message. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus E. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus E. React on the latest / selected message. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus R. Web app, Control plus Alt plus R. See all unread chats. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus U. Web app, Control plus Alt plus U. See all chats. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus C. Web app, Control plus Alt plus C. See all meeting chats. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus M. Web app, Control plus Alt plus M. See all muted chats. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus E. Web app, Control plus Alt plus E. Record video clip. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus E. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus E.
Meetings and calls.
Note to use the temporarily unmute shortcut. First go to Settings Privacy, and make sure keyboard shortcut to unmute is switched on. Accept video call. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus A. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus A. Accept audio call. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus S. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus S. Decline call. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus D. Web app, Control plus Shift plus D. Start audio call. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus A. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus A. Start video call. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus V. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus V. End audio call. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus H. Web app, Control plus Shift plus H. End video call. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus H. Web app, Control plus Shift plus H. Toggle mute. Desktop app, Win plus Alt plus K or Control plus Shift plus M. Web app, Win plus Alt plus K or Control plus Shift plus M. Temporarily unmute. Desktop app, Control plus spacebar. Web app, Control plus spacebar. Announce raised hands, screen reader. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus L. Web app, Control plus Shift plus L. Raise or lower your hand. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus K. Web app, Control plus Shift plus K. Toggle video. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus O. Web app, no shortcut. Decline screen share. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus D. Web app, no shortcut. Accept screen share. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus A. Web app, no shortcut. Admit people from lobby notification. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus Y. Web app, no shortcut. Schedule a meeting. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus N. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus N. Save or send meeting request. Desktop app, Control plus S. Web app, Control plus S. Join from meeting details. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus J. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus J. Go to suggested time. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus S. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus S. Join from meeting started toast. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus J. Web app, no shortcut. Open meeting chat. Desktop app, Control plus Shift plus R. Web app, no shortcut. Zoom into shared content. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus equal sign. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus equal sign. Zoom out from shared content. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus minus sign. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus minus sign. Reset zoom for shared content. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus 0. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus 0. Pan shared content up. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus up arrow key. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus up arrow key. Pan shared content down. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus down arrow key. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus down arrow key. Pan shared content left. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus left arrow key. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus left arrow key. Pan shared content right. Desktop app, Alt plus Shift plus right arrow key. Web app, Alt plus Shift plus right arrow key.
Activity feed.
Mark all as read. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus K. Web app, Control plus Alt plus K. See all in red activity. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus U. Web app, Control plus Alt plus U. Filter activity to missed calls. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus C. Web app, Control plus Alt plus C. Filter activity to at mentions. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus M. Web app, Control plus Alt plus M. Note currently, Control plus Shift plus F works in Activity to open the filter view.
Debug.
Download diagnostic logs. Desktop app, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus 1. Web app, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus 1.